left there, it's like, what's going on there? And it's like the pinhead palm. This is chocolate pudding fruit, black sapote, and it tastes like a light chocolate cake. As you can see, the inside of it is crumbly. It sort of has a, here, you can pass this around. See, I stabbed this other kid with a pencil, but it was because we were doing a little pencil fight thing. We got a little aggressive, and I stuck him. And then, you know, the principal lectured me and said, you know, there's lead in pencils. You could poison somebody by doing that. And I said, no, it's graphite. And then she just got more mad at me. If you compost and you throw the compost in your garden, it seems like it lasts about 5 minutes before it's gone. Because we have the rain coming down, we have a very active biology in the sand. Everything eats the organic matter, and because there isn't a clay content to the soil, the humic acid does not stick around. When you try to grow what's on the seed package and you read the regular gardening books, you just go, wow, everything dies. I must be a failure. I have black thumbs. I kill everything. No, it's not true. It's just that we're not gardening with the climate. If you try to fight the climate, you know, if I try to grow banana trees in Alaska, I'm going to fail again and again. If I try to grow Northern European crops and I put them down here, they fight, they die, they're not happy.